Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by acting fast, stabilize power, and connect the phone to your laptop. If the screen or touch is dead, use recovery mode or a hardware key combo. Make sure USB debugging is enabled when possible. Once connected, run a trusted extraction tool and choose logical backup first, because it reads user files without overriding partitions. Make sure to copy device logs and unique ID. These help later for advanced recovery and verification. Don't skip this initial imaging step. Once you have a verified image, mount it read-only and inspect partitions. Use file carving for deleted photos and targeted extraction for databases like SMS or contacts, because they often sit in known paths and schemas. If the file system is corrupt, run repair utilities on the copied image, never on the original device, so you avoid data loss. Make incremental exports and verify checksums. This keeps a clean audit trail and lets you roll back if a recovery step corrupts files. You finish by validating everything. Open photos, test messages, and confirm contact integrity. Use checksums to ensure file copies match. Then restore selectively. Start with critical data to a known good device or upload to cloud storage, since full restores can reintroduce corruption. If something goes wrong, try a different extraction tool, a different OS, or swap cables. And if images remain unreadable, escalate to a professional lab that can handle hardware-level chip-offs. This is your key troubleshooting tip if software methods fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.